Hello dear students, in this video we will complete exercises of lesson 8 continuous tenses. Exercise A, fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the verb given in the brackets. So we will fill the blanks with present continuous tense form of the verb given in the bracket. Okay, means in present continuous tense we are using is with singular, are with plural, and am with I and ing form of verb. Okay, so in this way we will do. First number, Bikram is singular, so we will write here Bikram is, and eat will be written as eating. Bikram is eating a juicy apple. Second, she is bathing her cat in the bathtub. Third, when are you going home? Fourth, he is talking on the phone right now. Fifth, it is raining cats and dogs since the morning. Sixth, at present I am solving some algebra problems. Seventh, which film is running in the Globe Theatre this week? 8. What are you having for breakfast? 9. The DJ is playing my favorite music. And last one, the students are taking notes. Exercise B. Here we will use past continuous form of the verbs given in bracket. Past continuous means with singular we will use was, and with plural we will use were, and ing form of verb. First number, I was taking. Was is written with I because I is singular. I was taking, and take is written as taking. I was taking a shower when the bell rang. Second, she was studying late last night. Third, it was snowing in Darjeeling when I arrived there. Fourth, she was making pudding when the guests arrived. Fifth, India was almost winning the game when it started to rain. Sixth, Varun was comfortably spending his vacation when he was called to report to the front. Seventh, we were sipping tea by the seaside and enjoying a restful weekend. 8. I was planning to visit the mall when you came by. 9. Amit was playing cricket when he got a call from his mother. And 10th number, mother was walking in the garden when it started to rain. Exercise C. Here we will fill the blanks with future continuous form of the verb given in brackets. According to grammar rule, with I and we, shall be and ing form of verb is used, and with other means he, she, it, will be and ing form of verb will be used here. Okay. First number, I shall be traveling on the Rajdhani Express by this time tomorrow. Second, she will be traveling to Paris next week if everything goes as planned. Third, they will be studying medicine after high school. Fourth, we shall be meeting them tomorrow in Mumbai. Fifth, as usual, my brother will be playing his video game when I arrive home from work. Sixth, at this time next week I shall be writing a test. Seventh, at 5 o'clock tomorrow I shall be working in my office. 8. This evening we shall be watching a talk show. 9th number, we shall be having a quiz this weekend at Good Shepherd School. And 10th number, Madhulika will be packing her luggage when you reach home. Exercise D. Here we will underline the verb first. and then we have to tell whether the verb is in simple present or present continuous, simple past or past continuous, simple future or future continuous. First number, we live in Dehradun. Live, simple present. He locked the door and left the house. Locked, simple past, and left, simple past. I am working. Am working, present continuous. Fourth, what were you doing? Okay, were doing, past continuous. Fifth, what will you be doing? Will be doing. Okay, will be doing, future continuous. Sixth, I will be flying to New York next week. Will be flying, again future continuous. Seventh, I learnt German when I was in Delhi. So learnt and was, simple past. 8. My children will be playing at that time. Will be playing, future continuous. Ninth number, we were having breakfast when the phone rang. Rang is simple past and were having, past continuous. 10th number, I met. Met is simple past. I met her last month when she was visiting her mother. Was visiting, past continuous. Exercise E. Change the tense of the verb in these sentences as directed. Add time references and make other changes as required. First number, you have to change this sentence into future continuous tense. So you will write it. The students will be meeting. In place of met, you will write will be meeting. Second sentence, you have to change it into past continuous tense. So in place of are, you will write were. We were listening to the radio. Third, you will change it in future continuous. So you will write he will be seeing. In place of see, you will write will be seeing you tomorrow. Fourth, present continuous and future continuous. You have to change this sentence in present continuous as well as future continuous. I studied. In place of studied, you will write I am studying architecture in Ahmedabad. And shall be studying. Will study. In place of will study, you will write shall be studying mass communication in Kolkata. Fifth number, Ronita went to Delhi. Past continuous tense, you will write Ronita was going to Delhi. Sixth number, the cashier opens. In place of opens, you will write is opening because we are changing this sentence in present continuous tense. So you will write is opening. The cashier is opening the drawer and taking out the money. Seventh number, as the daylight faded. In place of faded, you will write was fading. As the daylight was fading, we were feeling cold. 8 number, sentence will be changed into present continuous tense. So you will write the snow was. The snow was. In place of was, you will write is. The snow is falling, the wind is blowing, and the cars are skidding off the roads. 9th number, you will change the sentence in future continuous tense. So it will be written as he will be finishing. In place of has finished, you will write he will be finishing his homework. 10th number, Mr. Sarma retires next month. So in place of retires, you will write will be retiring because we are changing the sentence into future continuous tense. So you will write Mr. Sarma will be retiring next month and his son will be joining. In place of joins, you will write will be joining work next week.